Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good at preparing for SBIClerk 2022, and I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBIClerk 2022, and you can join with me and make your timetable. And my daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams. And who are new to my daily to-do list videos, don't worry about 70 plus days. And daily I changed my topics and is useful for beginners, so don't worry about that. So who are beginners, they can easily understand my daily to-do list videos. And also I am providing daily vocabulary words and small tips and tricks. And start your preparation from today onwards. And if you start from today onwards, you will definitely clear your prelims exam. And if you have any doubts, you can connect me in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra. And I will provide that link in description. Join my Telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. And also for better understanding, I am providing subtitles also. So while playing my video, on CC option on the top right corner of my video. And let's start our to-do list. As usual, daily in morning till 11 am schedule is same, and that is before 9 am revise all basics of each subject like formulas, tables, squares, and some brief notes of your weak areas. And also attempt English quizzes from Adda247 website. They provide daily quizzes, so attempt all quizzes on daily basis. And after that, give 1 hour for watching editorial video from Adda247 YouTube channel or from Murthy sir YouTube channel. So daily watch editorial video. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a prelims mock test from one of your purchased source or from free source. And for that mock test, I suggest you, for beginners, purchase textbook test series, and that is very useful. And who are already preparing, they can purchase Hollywood or SmartKida. And also first attempt a free mock test from the test series and then choose which is best as per your convenience. And those are very helpful for all our prelims and mains exam. So choose the best as per your convenience and attempt a prelims mock test on daily basis. And after that, give 1 hour for each subject of quant, reasoning and English for practicing prelims level. And before 3 days for quant section, you watched video for the topic of mixture and alligation. So tomorrow practice PDFs and attempt quizzes from the websites of SmartKida and Byju's. They are freely available. So use all those PDFs and quizzes, and they are very helpful. And for reasoning section of prelims level, 3 days before we watched video for the topic of alphanumeric series. So tomorrow practice PDFs and also attempt quizzes from the websites of SmartKida and Byju's, and they are freely available. Use all those PDFs for your prelims level examinations, and they are very helpful. And in afternoon, I planned for mains preparation. And who are beginners, they all revise and practice PDFs and also attempt quizzes for your weak areas where you are lacking. And we have many free sources. And also give 1 hour for English section of prelims level. And for that English section of prelims level for beginners, practice PDFs and attempt quizzes from the websites of SmartKida and Byju's. They are freely available, and those are very helpful for our prelims level examinations. So use all those PDFs and quizzes. And also give your time to you as much as possible for practicing prelims level for all sections. And who are preparing for mains, tomorrow for quant section, there are some free PDFs and also quizzes from Practice Mark website. So for quant, reasoning and mains English, attempt quizzes from Practice Mark website, and they are very helpful for all our mains examinations. For quant mains and reasoning mains, there are free data interpretation, data sufficiency puzzles. So attempt all those quizzes. And for English, there are closed test and some miscellaneous puzzles, and also reading comprehension puzzles. So use all those free PDFs and quizzes. Attempt all those for your mains preparation tomorrow. And if you have any doubts about these videos, PDFs and quizzes, you can ask in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. And also in my Telegram group, I am sharing every topic's video links and PDFs and also quizzes. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs at least 2 hours. So read daily current affairs. And tomorrow attempt quizzes of March 1st week current affairs from Practice Mock and Affairs Cloud, and they are freely available. So attempt quizzes from that websites, And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs. And after that, attempt second prelims mock test of the day and analyze the 2 marks of your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper and spend more time on your weak areas and note down all your weak areas and make timetable according to your weak areas, and that is for tomorrow's to-do list. And be consistent and confident on your preparation. And thanks for being with me, and also thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates.